Willingness to have a slim nose is something one cannot avoid, as it has much impact on our facial beauty. It's the fat that you should get rid of, to continue with your desired nose shape and structure. One of the simplest home remedies, to reduce your big nose is ice cube massage. For this, all you'll need is ice cubes and a towel. Wrap the ice cube in a towel. Dab it on your nose repeatedly for about 10 minutes, be sure to give your nose a rest in between. Repeat 2 to 3 times a day to see your nose slimming. Applying ice cubes make your nose less bloated, which as a result gets you a slim nose.